It's cold. The window must be open. Raggles, what are you doing? I'm pretending to be an owl, Rosie. My bird book says that if you hoot like an owl, a real owl will hoot back. Really? Have you heard one yet? Not yet. I'd better do some more hooting. I told you I could hear a funny noise, Will. These beetles must be freezing out here in the cold.
Not as cold as I am, Holly.
Would you like me to find a little box for you to sleep in?
Holly, they're wild animals. They're used to the outdoors.
I know, Will, but it is cold, and it's only for one night.
Wow! Did you hear that, Holly?
Hear what?
It sounded like an owl. There it is again. Maybe I can get it to come closer.
There is an owl out there. Here you are, little beetles. I've made you a bed. Now you'll be cozy and warm.
I don't see why the beetles need to sleep in a box, Holly.
Shush now, beetles. It's bedtime. Night-night. Raggles, wake up! It's really late! Oh, no! No time to lose, Rosie. I'm going owl spotting.
Perfect. My very own owl caller. Now, I need somewhere to hide so I can find my owl friend.
Big Bear's still sleeping too. Maybe a fairy has put a magic sleeping spell on all of us. Wakey, wakey.
Hello, Rosie. Oh, have I slept in?
We all did, and we don't know why.
Well, I normally get woken up early by the Maudis tapping on my window like...
Sorry we're late, Big Bear. I'm afraid we...
Slept a bit too long.
I didn't hear Bluebird singing the dawn chorus. She normally wakes us up, you see.
It was so cold last night, so I made them a little bed out of this box. But then they wouldn't go to sleep. And now they haven't woken up. But even if they had, the darters wouldn't have heard them from behind the banana tree. So that's why no one woke up on time. Oh, Rosie, it's my fault. I've broken the dawn chorus. It's okay, Holly. We can fix it. We just need to put the purple beetles where everyone can hear them. I think we may need some help, Holly. Woohoo! I'm really close. Don't want to scare him. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Yes! Mustn't scare him away.
Will?
Raggles?
Let me think.
Straw, that's what they need.
There. One beetle house.
They like it! Well done, everyone! Did you find your owl, Raggles?
There isn't any owl. It was Will. We've been hooting at each other since last night.
I thought Raggles was a real owl and he thought I was. I might as well throw this stupid owl caller away.
Rosie, Holly, we've got a problem. Listen.
I can't hear anything.
Exactly. The straw is muffling the sound of the beetles.
Oh, the Darties will never hear that. Oh, Rosie, does this mean we'll all sleep in again tomorrow? Will, how does your owl caller work?
Well, you make a sound this end and it comes out through here, only bigger.
I think it's going to be very useful after all.
Morning!
La 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 la. Look, Raggles! It worked!
Wow! The moon is so big, Rosie.
Oh, I wonder what it's like up there.
I've heard the moon's made of cheese. It would be really tasty if it's true.
I don't think so, Raggles.
Oh, I'd love to visit the moon. I could eat it. Moonwalk. Meet some moonmen. And space hop too. I'm going to go there.
But how?
I'm not sure yet, but I'll find a way. I'll visit the moon tomorrow evening.
But, Raggles, I don't think it's quite that easy.
Blast off! Moon dust! Yummy cheese.
Raggles? Where are you? Oh my goodness! Raggles really is going to try to go to the moon.
Are you sure this will work, Raggles? The moon is an awfully long way away.
I think so. I can jump really high, and I've got all day to practice until the moon comes out again.
Raggles, there you are.
You're just in time, Rosie. Raggles is going to bounce to the moon.
Really?
Yes, and I've got lots of space training to do before the proper launch later, so I need to get on with it. Ready, everyone? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Oh, no. I can't jump high enough.
Flap your wings. That'll make you go higher.
Oh, I haven't got any wings.
Flap your arms instead.
Go on, Raggles!
That's it. Flap a little harder.
Jump, Raggles!
Higher, higher. Now fly. Whee! Hello? Are you a moon man?
Have I reached the moon?
Am I there? Not quite, Raggles.
Oh, never mind. I will get to the moon, somehow. One big step for Raggles. One great big leap on the moon.
Perfect, Raggles. You look just like a proper astronaut.
Great! Just need to eat some more cheese for my moon training. But how am I going to get there? What's that?
What are you doing, Raggles? You look funny.
It's my spacesuit. I'm going to the moon. Just as soon as I find out how to get there.
What you need is a rocket.
A rocket?
Yep, and I can make one for you.
Brilliant! Well, what are we waiting for?
You'll need to be quick if you're going to launch it tonight. The moon will be out soon.
This spot is nice and high and closest to the moon. Perfect for launch.
Are you ready, Raggles? Done your training? Got everything you need?
Yes, yes, and yes.
Good luck, Raggles. Reach for the moon!
Yeah!
Go on, Raggles!
Good luck! Thanks, everyone. I'll bring you all a piece of moon cheese.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
It's gone. Oh. Stop that rocket! Raggles, are you okay?
You were right, Rosie. I'll never be able to visit the moon.
Oh, Raggles.
If only the real moon was as close as that reflection in the stream.
If Raggles can't get to the moon, maybe the moon can come to Raggles.
Oh, Raggles!
Raggles, hurry up!
It's time!
Huh? Time for what?
Come on, Raggles, hurry. The rocket is ready to launch and I'm coming with you.
But
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Yay!
I know you were really upset when you didn't get to visit the moon, Raggles. So, we brought the moon to you instead. I hope you like it.
I love it! And a proper moon feast, too! Yummy! What's Will got all those things for, Rosie?
Looks like it could be fun.
Let's go!
Will's been putting things all over the place all morning. What are they for, Holly?
These hoops are great for hopping. Oh, hello, Big Bear. Hello, Little Bear. Yo!
Hello, Holly.
Big Bear! Yo! Little Bear thinks you're amazing. Big Bear, amazing!
What are these things for, Will?
I'll show you.
Look! Funny round things. Who put them there? Who?
Me. I've built an obstacle course.
Oh, vertical course?
Obstacle! You have to do lots of different things all over the garden. Like these hoops here that you have to get over your head.
Like this? What else do we have to do?
Oh, everything. Come on, let's go.
Ooh, this should be interesting. Here we are, at the stepping stones, where Holly's going like the wind. Ooh, Raggles on the balance bar. Will he make it to the end? Yes! Yes! No, but Better luck next time, Raggles. 1, 2. That's 3 misses for Rosie. Will, at the hula hoop challenge. And now, off he goes on the downhill gallop. Rosie, preparing for the rope jump. A big one, this. But no problem for Rosie. Holly and Raggles take the flower pot challenge in their stride. But, Big Bear hasn't started yet. Oh, come on, Big Bear. Why haven't you started?
Little Bear is a bit small to go on any obstacles, you see, so I'll just stay with him.
Big Bear, Little Bear, try this. Whoops!
Big Bear!
I know. Let's go and see Oakley again. Coming, Bluebird.
Huh? Big Bear! Not too quick. Take your time. Keep calm. Don't panic. Don't panic.
What's going on?
I'm trying to help Big Bear train for Will's balance bar.
Train? Why? Just have a go, Big Bear.
Oh, I'm no good at it, Rosie. I'll fall off. I know I will.
That doesn't matter, does it?
Little Bear thinks I can do anything, and, well, I mustn't let him down.
But I'm sure Little Bear thinks the world of you, whatever you do.
Maybe, but I don't want to disappoint him. I've really got to learn how to do this, and soon.
It's Raggles the penguin!
It's not funny.
If you say so, it's the not funniest thing I've seen all day. Race you!
Hey!
Oops.
No. Fix your eye on the end of the log, like so. Then walk towards it, nice and slow.
But I am. I'm just no good at balancing.
I know what's wrong. Bluebird can balance with her wings tucked in, but we have to put our arms out to help us. Like this. See?
I never thought of that.
Here goes. Oh, look at me. Oh, thanks, Rosie. Thanks, Bluebird. Little Bear, here I am.
Are you ready? Are you steady? Go!
Arms out, arms out, arms out. Go.
Big Bear! Amazing!
OK, Raggles. Put the dishes in the sink.
It's easy if you try.
First you wash,
Next you rinse.
then you wipe them dry. Again?
Yes.
Put the dishes in the sink.
It's easy if you try.
First you wash,
I'll get it.
then you wipe them dry. OK.
Hello?
Put the dishes in the sink. Who was at the door?
First you wash a bush.
A bush?
You don't think it wanted to come in, do you?
No, I don't think so, Raggles. My turn! Hello?
Oh, it's you.
What's up?
Raggles thought you were a bush. You haven't seen Will, have you?
We're playing hide and seek, and we can't find him.
Will can hide for ages without anyone finding him. You're going to need our help.
Yeah, we can search for that bush as well.
Hi, Bluebird. Hi, Oakley. Have you seen Will?
Shh! I've more important things to do than look for Will, like making Oakley disappear.
Oh.
Ooh. From a tree to a pea, make Oakley hard to see.
Well, am I invisible?
No.
Not even a little bit?
Nope. Sorry.
I must be losing my touch.
Maybe Oakley isn't the disappearing type. Why do you want to be invisible anyway, Oakley?
Oh, you'll think I'm being silly.
Oh, no, we won't. Will we, Raggles?
You may be a lot of things, Oakley, but silly isn't one of them.
Well, I wish I could run around, play the games you can play. I just want to join in, play hide and seek, be the one that hides for a change.
Well, I think everyone should be allowed to hide. Don't worry, Oakley. We'll help you.
You will?
Leave it to us, Oakley.
Just how are we going to hide in Oak Tree?
I haven't worked that bit out yet. OK, everyone. Let's pull Oakley to the playground.
Ah! And I will provide some bluebird magic. From the hill to the slide, this tree I will guide.
The trouble with being good at hiding is you're always on your own. Oh, hello, Bluebird.
He's not budging. Oh, Oakley, we didn't hide you. I'm sorry.
That's okay. I think this big old tree was meant to be on this hill, not in the playground, playing hide and seek with his friends.
Poor Oakley.
Rosie, can you peg the sheet on the line?
If only there was some way to help.
Rosie!
Raggles, it's not time to play ghosts.
Get me out!
Raggles, you've just given me a brilliant idea. Come on.
Where are we going? Rosie?
We're going to hide an oak tree.
This is definitely going to need another wash.
Big Bear, we need your help.
What? Yes.
Hold this. Now, where's Bluebird? Bluebird!
Here I am.
Take this sheet.
Why? Because you're going to help us hide Oakley.
Me? I'm going to actually hide?
Come on, Clouds. You can help too.
It tickles.
We've done it.
Done what? Where's Oakley?
Look.
Oh. Rosie, the bush, it's coming this way.
Are you still going on about that?
bush. Now I wonder who that might be. Come on, let's hide.
I'm fed up with this. Here I am! I'm the winner! Hello? Oakley? He's disappeared! Oakley! Where are you, Oakley?
Here I am, you silly sausage!
That's the best hiding place ever in the history of hiding places!
Thanks, Rosie and Raggles. Thanks, everyone.
Do you know, Oakley looks like a playhouse. A great big playhouse.
That's right. And what do you do in playhouses?
Yay!
Yahoo!
Look at me!